Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to share with you guys how to save a lot of money if you're into tumbler engraving. Let's say you engrave this cup here, you get laser dust on it, you need to remove it. You've probably seen one of my past videos on how I clean it with a magic eraser. It works amazing, comes out nice and shiny just like this cup here. But magic erasers aren't the cheapest things in the world. You usually get 6 to 10 of these for around $8. And what if I told you you could get 50 of these for $8 included with shipping? $2 without shipping, $8 with shipping total. I think you're getting a pretty good deal there. So if you don't know what these are called melamine sponges. They're basically the same exact thing magic erasers are made out of. They're a little bit more stiff to tell you than what this is, and this one's been used obviously. But this is the last one that I have to show you a comparison. The only thing different is you get about a 1/2 inch longer on the magic eraser here. That's really the only difference here that I could see, other than this one feels a little bit more firm and this one's a little bit more squishy. I use this on like the walls with any kind of like scuff marks, like the stairs behind me. Whenever we go up and down with like furniture or something, it scuffs the wall. Use this on your wall. But more importantly, if you're doing laser engraving stuff like we are, you use it on tumblers here. Get that laser dust on there, wipe this off with it being a little bit wet, and it comes right off. It leaves a really nice shine. Super good deal here. I'm going to share with you guys how you can find this deal and a lot of other deals to save on like laser blanks, laser files, jigs, and other materials as well. And that's going to be in our Laser Engraving Deals Group on Facebook. So if you're not a member of that, I highly encourage you guys to join that. I'm going to be linking this deal next on there. But I mean, look at how many of these things you get for $8 in the mail here. I'm going to share that here on that page as well. And I'll put it in the link down below for just this deal here. But all the other deals are going to be on that page. So go ahead and join us there if you haven't already. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.